Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Sheng again, and I would like to say thank you guys for subscribing my YouTube channel. For today's video, nanapod ko i-share ninyo nga another online ESL company nga weekly ang sweldohan. Yes, weekly siya guys. So I hope makatabang ni ninyo og try to apply this company. So, ang name sa company guys is Happy Camp. Sa ilahang advertisement naingon sila didto nga we are looking for Filipino teachers who can teach English, math, science, and art. So weekly salary through gcash. Students are Chinese. Must be available 4 to 5 hours from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. No interview, just demo. Yes, wala sila interview. So, yun, demo ra ang kailangan nila. And the newbies are welcome. So, meaning to say, mudawat sila walay experience. Booking to regular classes. And then materials are provided. So, dili na ka magproblema og pangita og materials. And then platform guys, kay duha ka buok platform nga ilang gamiton. VOOV o ClassIn. So kaning VOOV kay pareha ra jud ni siya og Zoom. As in pareha ra gid ni siya. And then if you would like to apply this one, you can send your introduction video or resume to Happy Camp Facebook page. So I will put the link sa ilahang Facebook para sa yun ra ninyo pag-submit ang ilahang or I mean inyuhang requirements. And then I will also include the link for VOOV and ClassIn para dali ra sad mo maka-install sa inyong computer and laptop. Okay. So about also sa kuan rate kay mao man gid usa sa pangutana gid nato nga pilay rate. So karon guys, pag human sa akong klase kay nangutana ko nila nga pila ilang rate. So ang ilahang rate is 50 pesos per 25 minutes. So meaning to say 100 per hour. Okay. Now, sa post didto kay daghan kayo og ni comment naman and then naapa jay comment didto nga wala daw ni reply. So akong gi-try og inquire ni reply raman so far. So if you would like to apply, just send your introduction video and resume to them. So that's all everyone. I hope nakatabang ni ninyo nga information. Laban ra gyud ta dinhi no. Thank you everyone and goodbye. See you.